Yo, what is going on? Good morning, this is Andrew, known as Zero Jojo, Pip Catch Administration. Welcome back to another live call. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated, put this content out every day. So let's get into it. gbpusd. If we look at what's happened yesterday, we had bears in control. We had this bullish candle that took out that bearish wick, so we had a bullish engulfing, indicating some upside, right? But we have been bearish on the week. It has been an indecisive week overall, so there really is no bias in particular. We are watching that key level, that 1.37500 key level. That's where all the bears got trapped before. We're approaching that level on a 15-minute chart right here. That's that key level right here, this 1.37550, right? So overall, we are up due to this bullish engulfing on the daily chart. So I'm going to look for support at that 500 key level. Price is falling off the map right now. We did have bull traps here. So we do need to wait for sellers to become exhausted for the opportunity to actually set up, right? So on the 15-minute chart, we have bull traps here. So there is downward momentum. But there is no U resistance for further downside momentum. So all seller liquidity is grabbed. We just need to wait for sellers to become fully exhausted, and then we'll be able to look for the buy opportunity somewhere on a 5-minute chart. So like I said, right here, we're looking at this level, we're looking at this level, we're looking at this support level. So once that sets up, we're going to look to trade towards that U resistance somewhere over here. We'll look back. It's 8:56 right now. We need a little bit more data. Once we have the data, we'll be able to get it. Let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna turn this shit now. Let's go. First target here, second target 700. Let's get it. As you can see, the target is smashed. We're done for the day. We're done for the week. This was a good day, quick day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this shit, subscribe to the channel, keep us motivated, put this content out every day. Other than that, we'll see you guys on fucking Monday. Let's get it. Sheesh. Alright guys, if we drop in and then we take out that engulfing, I'm going to enter another buy to that second target. I don't want to enter it unless, it does what I want. If it doesn't do what I want, I'm just going to take the profits end of the day. That'll be it. But it's still early, it's 9:30, so if this thing sets up, we're going to take another trade. So I can see this shit starting to form. We just need to get bears interested again. If bears are interested, we'll enter this shit. Let's go. Crazy. Target 2 is smashed, but instantly after. Crazy, bro. We on point, bro. Remember, this thing is bearish, so. Hey, so, alright, guys. We're going to wrap this thing up. Subscribe, like, comment. Love you all. Have a great weekend.